Anthropic just shipped something nobody expected this week. Claude Code, the AI coding agent, can now be controlled remotely. That means your AI agent is running on your Mac doing the work, and you're watching it happen live from your phone. Here's the problem most people have been running into with AI agents. You kick off a task, write this code, build this feature, research this topic, and then you have to sit there, waiting, staring at a terminal, watching it run. You can't step away. You can't check on it from another room. You're stuck babysitting a machine that's supposed to make your life easier. That changes today. Claude Code remote control works like this. You open a Claude Code session on your Mac or PC. You type one command /rc. The terminal generates a URL. You open that URL on any device, your phone, your iPad, another laptop, and you get a live view of exactly what the agent is doing. Every keystroke, every file it touches, every decision it makes in real time. Now, why does this matter if you're a creator or marketer and not a developer? Because AI agents aren't just for writing code anymore. We use Claude Code agents to run our entire content pipeline. Research, write, schedule, post, completely automated. And the problem was always the same. You had to be at your desk to monitor it. Now you can kick off an agent to build your content calendar for next week. Walk away and check the progress from your phone while you're at the gym. That's a fundamentally different way of working. Let me show you exactly how this works. Step 1. Make sure you're on Claude Max plan. This feature requires at least the Pro tier. Step 2. Open a terminal and navigate to whatever project folder you want to work in. Step 3. Start a Claude Code session. Just type Claude and hit enter. Step 4. Once you're inside the session, type /rc and hit enter. You'll see a URL appear. Copy that URL, open it on your phone, and boom, you're connected. Now, anything the agent does on your machine, you see it live on your phone. Step 5. Give the agent a task. Tell it to build something, research something, write something, and then walk away. You can monitor the whole thing remotely. You can even interact if you need. Literally dropped yesterday, February 25th, 2026. There's already a known bug. Some users on personal Macs accounts are seeing a contact your administrator error when they try to enable it. If you hit that, don't panic. It's a rollout issue on Anthropic's side, should be resolved in the next day or two. The command still works in some setups. Try typing /rc inside the session directly instead of using the CLI flag. And if it still doesn't work, just wait 24 hours and try again. Here's where we think this is going. Right now, remote control is read only. You watch, you monitor, you get visibility. But the next logical step is bi-directional control. You're at dinner, your agent hits a blocker, it sends you a message, hey, I need a decision here. You respond from your phone and it keeps going. That's async AI collaboration. Not AI as a tool you sit in front of, but AI as a team member that works while you sleep. For content creators, marketers, and anyone running automated systems, this is massive. Imagine your content pipeline running overnight. Your agent writes, schedules, and posts, and you wake up to a notification saying, done. 14 posts went live. That's the system we're building at Mr. Growth Guide, and remote control just made it a lot more real. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. We drop practical AI tutorials every week. No fluff, just stuff you can actually use. Drop a comment below telling us what you'd use AI remote control for. See you in the next one.